Hello. In this video, we'll learn about what checklists are and how to work with checklists in BMC Helix Business Workflows. A checklist, in BMC Helix Business Workflows, is a list of checks or steps that must be completed for a case or task. It consists of a fixed set of items to be completed for an activity or process. The checklist can be reused every time that activity or process needs to be completed. A checklist standardizes the standard operating procedures for a case or task, which allows users to execute the steps in an easy manner, while also providing an overview of the entire process. Let's look at the benefits of using checklists. Checklists for a line of business provide the following benefits. Checklists ensure that users do not miss important steps while working on a case or task. Checklists improve the productivity of users to perform complex tasks in an easy manner. Checklists also minimize errors by listing down steps in a simple and consistent way. There are two user roles available in BMC Helix Business Workflows: Case Business Analyst and Case Agent, who work on the checklist capabilities. Now, let's go over to AJ, who is a Case Business Analyst in the Facilities line of business in the Apex Global Company. He creates a checklist template for the line of business, and adds it to the case or task template. AJ can also edit and delete a checklist template, if required. Hannah is a case agent in the Apex Global Company. She uses checklists to complete a set of checks or steps easily and effectively. While using a checklist, she can perform actions, such as selecting checklist items, updating the status of checklist items, and adding comments to record the observations. She can also add an ad hoc checklist if the existing case or task does not have a prior checklist. Let us now see how to work with checklists in BMC Helix Business Workflows. For the purpose of this video, let us consider that a checklist is required for AC maintenance. AJ creates a new checklist template for AC maintenance in BMC Helix Business Workflows, and adds the following items. Clear debris from around AC. Inspect and clean the outdoor unit. Change the air filter. And clear the condensate drain line. Hannah now creates a case for AC maintenance in BMC Helix Business Workflows, and uses the checklist template that AJ created. AJ creates a new checklist template and adds details, such as name, line of business, company, status, and the label for the checklist template. AJ then adds the checklist template to the case template. The checklist is then added to the case. Hannah creates a case for AC maintenance and uses the checklist template that AJ had created. She adds an ad hoc checklist, if the case or task does not have a prior checklist template. Hannah also selects the checklist items, updates the status of checklist items, and adds comments to record the observations. After Hannah works with the checklist items, the checklist is displayed in the case details page. Here's how a case looks when a checklist is added after the case agent works with it. To summarize, in BMC Helix Business Workflows, checklist is a list of checks or steps that must be completed for a case or task. It standardizes the standard operating procedures for a case or task, which allows users to execute it in a simplistic way, with a view of all actions to be performed. A case business analyst first creates a new checklist template and adds the template to the case or task. A case agent then works on the checklist items and can also add an ad hoc checklist if the case or task does not have a prior checklist. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit docs.bmc.com at the links provided in the video description.